Yo, you gotta check out the sick Samsung smart home kitchen. Let me show you around. First is a new Bespoke AI Family Hub refrigerator, of course, with that huge touchscreen on the outside, but now you can just touch the bottom of the door like this and you have auto opening doors. Now there's a camera at the top to recognize whatever food that you put inside the fridge, and you can see that it recognizes tomato right away, and also works for food that's leaving the fridge to keep tabs on expiration dates and inventory. And there's also cameras on each side of the doors that you can see anytime in the SmartThings app as well. You can get suggestions from your fridge on recipes that you can cook with whatever you have, and then beam that over to the Bespoke induction slide and range with auto opening door, which is touch and voice activated. The large display on the built-in AI hub controls everything from temperature to even the ambient lighting that's right below it. That's a nice touch. And there's a camera inside so you can see whatever you're cooking right in the app, and even get notifications if the food is burning while you're doing the laundry on the new Bespoke laundry combo washer and dryer. Yes, this is one unit and it can do a full load wash and dry in just over an hour and a half, which is incredible. And you can even take phone calls or even see who's at the front door with the AI hub built in. And when you're done eating, you can clean your dishes with the Bespoke dishwasher with Wi-Fi connectivity and improved cleaning and drying features. So what do you think? You want these in your house?